To begin with, you're on Tinkercad and you have your 3D model. You go to Export on the top right corner and you click the OBJ file. That's going to load at the bottom of the website. You can click and drag it to the screen once it's finished. I already done this before, so I'm just going to click Replace. And so you do not need to open the zip file at all. So keep it as a zip file. You go to CoSpace and you upload it. Go down and you just need to open it. It'll take a while. So it's going to take a while for it to load. You might have to redo it because of the Wi-Fi, but once it's done, you can just click and drag it onto your working space, and there you go. That's how you do it. So another way you can do this, you already downloaded it as a zip file and you just drag it into your upload. It's, again, going to take a while, and once it's done, it'll already be there. If it loads. There it is. And there you go.